This is the sailboat we're doing now?
Yeah.
Okay. So are these other boats that are getting like seized or whatever? And
It started after we sent it the inspection, and then he sold it. That guy sold it to another person. Nobody transferred the title. Then that guy put it up for auction. It got bought for $1. Now we're waiting on one of those 3-4 new owners to come in and fill out paperwork. Although there's all those people have called the office and said, you have the title for it. The guy that we bought it from told us that you guys have the title. No, we don't carry titles. We don't keep the titles.
Right.
He has this title. He has the title. And now it was only bought for $1. So what do you think is probably going to happen? It's probably going to be abandoned. The other one is 110% abandoned. Once he got his notice, he knew he wasn't passing that inspection. You'll look at the boat, you'll know why. But he
this one?
D16 on the left side.
Oh, okay, this one. All right. All right, you know what? If you can back us, you want me to do it?
Yeah, let me see. What's your approach?
I would back us up and lay the mid of our boat up against that piling right there so we can, or put it, it's not going to work. I would say put our stern or get in between the two as close as you can to that piling. And just be careful of this blue boat here, or light blue boat. In fact, if you want to maybe rest our bar, turn us this way and rest our bar up against the piling. And then what we'll do is I'll take over and hold the boat, and I'll let you do your thing. Okay, actually what I forgot is we've got to let Caven get off. So if you want to pull us over to the dock there. That wasn't a test, I just wasn't thinking.
Just wanted to see if you had it down, that's it.
Yeah.
Keep going. Is there a cleat back there? Hey, I see one right here. Lay it over that. All right, get her tied off. All right, Chris, you wanna, when you get that tied, get us a spring line. Yeah, you can do that same cleat if you need to. See if you can get Caven to. Yeah, she's actually backing up okay right now. Yeah, we're doing all right. As Travis would say, slow is pro. You don't want to go any faster than what you want to hit something, right?
Abandoned boat, she's got some shiny little rod holders on the back. I saw the tattoo. Yeah, this way.
I've just only recently started doing the whole backup routine. It actually handles, because you're steering with your front,
Yeah.
it actually handles pretty well doing that when you're in a tight situation like this.
Surfing is the same kind of thing. Steer with the front.
We're bringing this one over to the other side, right?
So it's what, the same fairway as?
No, over the other marina.
Oh. So we gotta go out the channel and
Yep.
up.
Yep. As soon as we get set here, I'll let you take it and drive.
This is bigger than the last one I hit to.
Go ahead. You guys do the south facing dock check. There's a green kayak, 660. Throw away the kayak.
Good tying job, by the way. Notice the lines are still pretty tight. Yeah, you could tighten that one up a little. All right, you want to take it?
Yeah. Definitely.
I feel like a nervous father having this kid driving the car for the first time. All right, why don't you let me take it through here? Just keep an eye on what I'm doing. I mean, I'm sure you can do it. I just
Is it going in a slip or is it?
up against the seawall. You have fenders on that side, or not going to bother? Or? Okay.
So you're gonna do this all with the starboard engine? Mostly until you get it
For
tight.
now, until we get to the,
Until you
yes.
get tight, that's when you maneuver.
so where that little building is up there? What's that?
Okay, so right next to that building.
Yep.
Got it.
It should, anyway.
Got it.
That's the plan.
Understood. Got it.
Yep.
Got it.
See what she's gonna do. Luckily, these two boats in between are derelict anyway, so.
Gotcha. So those are okay-ish.
Correct. Yep. All right, I'm gonna position us this way. You can look like a real hero when there's no wind.
Mm. But sometimes wind would have just pushed you that extra 8 feet,
Correct.
right?
That's correct. All right. Not graceful, but
Well, job's done. Job's done.
all right. You want to start undoing our lines?